Yes, I am.
Okay, now this is cool.
Now that my YouTube was blowing up, thanks Ring Doorbell, it was time to surprise my friends with the YouTube play button. So guys, we got the pizza. It's an all black pizza. Alright, are you guys ready for this?
I'm ready.
Ready for the surprise?
I can't
Hey,
see.
yo! Yeah, look at that. Hey! 100 million subscribers.
100 million.
We should put my name on it now.
Oh,
Try that
yeah! That's a good idea.
Do you think it'd be heavy?
I thought it would be.
Yeah.
What is it?
I
thought it
It's
was
actually
wood?
lightweight.
Is it?
I don't know.
looks
It must be
heavy.
wood.
Congratulations.
We're all proud of you. We're so
Thanks.
proud of you.
Yeah.
I really thought it was a pizza. I really thought it was like a good. I thought it was a pizza.
I had to poke holes in it so it could breathe. Okay.
Yo! Oh my god,
Yeah.
bro.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Jakesterguy!
Yeah.
That's so
Such a
crazy.
The accomplishment is insane.
Yeah.
That's a huge accomplishment.
I've never touched it before.
I've never
That's
even seen one, bro.
It'd be cool if you rewatch this after you get like 1 million.
Yeah. Yeah.
I would just walk around with it.
Me too.
Wait, I'm so happy you brought it because I actually
Yeah,
really wanted to see it.
Yeah.
I wanted to see it in person. I was like, damn, I really wanted to see it.
Guys,
Surprise.
it's gonna be. Guys, it's a living. It's living and breathing. It's living and breathing. I had to cut holes in this. Yes,
What is it? Hey, subscribe, Jakesterguy.
Subscribe.
Jakesterguy. Hey,
Coming to a city near you.
2022.
Takeover.
Coming different, bro.
All this talk about YouTube really got me thinking. I needed a real celebration. So I gathered up my friends for a one-of-a-kind dance party. Tonight, we're gonna party to copyright-free music! So, after a night filled with surprises, food, and good dance moves, it was time to wind down. But before the night was over, I realized something. I had to give back, David Dobrik Mr. Beast style. So I gave my friends one chance to say anything they wanted to the world. Alright guys, that's it for today's vlog. We just went sledding on this hill. Anything you guys want to say to the camera?
Yeah.
I'm not leaving till you subscribe. Not leaving till you subscribe. You might as well subscribe or else I'm just gonna be out here all day.